Here is how to create this insane sky change effect in CapCut. First, open your CapCut app, click on new project, and then add a video of you working in an empty position or in an empty space like this. Please record yourself on a tripod stand. Now, when you have your video, this is the original clip. You're going to split the part that you don't want and then delete. Also, you're going to be deleting the CapCut filter. Now you're going to click on overlay and then add the photo or any image. Let's say I pick this particular one. I'm going to add it to the clip, and then I am just going to extend so that it fills the screen just like you're seeing on the screen. And next thing that I'm going to be doing after this is tap on the overlay and then extend it so that it fits perfectly with the original clip. Next, I'm going to head over to the mask, and then I'm going to click on split, and I am just going to feather it out. I'm going to place it in the right position, and then I'm going to feather it out so that it will have a very clean effect. Of course, now that I have this, but as you can see, my image is not really coming out because this is actually covering the head part after I'm making adjustment. So how I'm going to achieve this is I'm going to be tapping on the main clip, and I'm going to be clicking on copy. All right, so here is the copy. I've copied it, and next I am going to be tapping on overlay. All right, when I tap on overlay to drop, so I'm going to long press and then drag it under my video. When I do that, I'm going to be having this. Next, I am going to be clicking on cutout and then remove background. That's way it will make my image to be on top of the background just like this, and then it's going to take time background remove. So let's play it to see what it looks like. When you do that, you're going to have this. And of course, if you don't want this, you can always replace the background. All right, you can always replace the image, the sky, and all of that to the one that you want. For me, this is fine, and here is it. This is what I did. I replaced, and I have this. So basically, this is how to change the sky of your original content.